Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. Let's see how to get the last name from the full name. So from here I want to get Modi, from here I want to get Dhawan, so on. So the idea is to use mid, length formula and find formula. So I hope you know about mid, length and find. If not, you can go back to my the same channel. The channel name is Excel Short and Sweet. You can go back and check the individual videos on these three formulas. So let's use the equal to mid. Mid, the text. Let's consider this text and now start name. Start name is after the space. So how to find the after the space? Find a space and then add number 1. So let me find that space. Find text is a space. So I'm just having the space, comma. Within text, this Narendra Modi and comma. Start name is 1. So this gives me the space location. I need that plus 1, right? So I am just adding the plus 1. Now it is pointing to M. So now number of characters. So Yamodia is a 4, Dhawan is a 6. How dynamically get the number of the last name? So take a total length minus that find location. So let me have the length of the total and then minus the location. Find the space, comma, from the same location, and you are finding the, let's say first, then say okay. Now you got Modi. So let's drag and drop the same thing to all. Let's see whether it's calculating correctly for all. So this is how it is. So let me make it big. So can you see it's capturing the last name perfectly. So I am using mid, find, length formulas to extract the last name from the full name. Thank you for watching.